Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the payment configurations that can be done on forms, specifically public forms. So we're here in settings and I'm going to find a public form. I'm actually going to look for the donation form here. I'm now accessing the form customizer for this specific form that we've built. And when I open the form, this form has payment amounts right here. So a user can choose $50 one time every month. They can set a specific amount or set a recurring amount. If perhaps we wanted to change these options, we're going to do that through Form Customizer. So on the sidebar, you'll see payment options, and we're going to edit the payment configuration. This is the screen that allows the form to have payments enabled. In this selection here, we are saying we're actually going to give the end user a couple of different options. And the options that display are provided through a list. It only has one option right now, but it could have multiple options here. So I'm going to show you how to modify this list. You click the edit link. And then these are the options which we can see on the public form. Right? So again, it's $50 a month, $50 one time amount, and a recurring amount, which again, we can see from the public form here, right here in the donation amount. In order to add additional items, we're going to add a list item, name the list item. I'm going to put $100 every month. I could put a description. I'm going to put that it is $100. ARB means automated recurring billing, so it's going to happen every month. And then I also will set a frequency. I can limit users to a specific number that they can use or add any additional messaging. And then this here is this payment amount config is what is going to tell the system that this additional list item here is going to belong in that group of other options. And this is the group that we've selected on the form. When I press save, I'm going to be taken back to the list. You can now see my $100 every month. And right here is that payment amount config, and each one of these items is set to the same thing. So you may have other public forms that have a different group of items. One item can only be within one group. So now I'm going to return back to the public form, the payment configuration, right? And I'm not changing anything else here, so I'm going to press save. I'll go back to the form. The next thing you do for the actual form to display those changes is you'll need to go under advanced options and rebuild the form. So it's going to kind of pull in new information. If I go to the public form and refresh the screen, we'll see $100 added into this option. So you could easily change the types of options that you have. If you have a different public form and want different values, or let's say you want $100 or $50 or $25 amounts, but because we're already using the 50 one time and the 100 every month right on this form, we would have to actually create in our list the same amount. So we would have add a list item and do 100 every month, $100 automated recurring billing, and set it as monthly, and then press save.